I'm good until 2 in the morning.
Anong drinks niya?
I demand that kind of, kasi probinsyano po ako, hindi naman ako mayaman. Every time that I am summoned there, it's a expense. Hotel, pati aeroplano. Ngayon kung magsige tayo dito pa, ganon, mamuluwi ako. I am living on my retirement pay. Wala akong negosyo. Tanungin mo kahit sino sa damo. Wala akong outside source except my retirement pay. Ngayon, kung ganito tayo palagi, mamamlubi talaga ako.
Like to rest.
I'm sorry, I was talking to my daughter.
Yes, Mr. President, if you'd like to rest, we can excuse you.
No, sir. I am willing to sit here and testify until probably 2 o'clock in the morning. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Kung gusto ninyo, gabain ninyo ang alas 6.
1 minute suspension.